is the trail to the Hever Castle. Those are the sheep. And look how muddy it is. This is the walking trail to the castle. I hope we're going the right way. This is crazy. Ooh. Okay, you could, don't fall, be careful. Ew, it's like quicksand. Is it better on that side? You had to be really careful because there's barbed wire over here to keep the sheep in. Oh, I see an ambulance coming. Oh, maybe that's a police? No, looks like an ambulance. See, the castle's got to be up there on the hill, you guys. This is an old trail that we just jumped on. We found on Google to get to the Hever Castle. And you guys can see the baby sheeps over there.